Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I am going to talk about the JML Sonicare Facial Cleanser, which I have just received as a gift from my friends / co-teachers. So thank you so much for giving this as a gift to me, and I just want to say, or I just want you to know that you really made me happy. So here is the JML Sonicare Facial Cleanser. So this is the brand, and then it is in the light blue. And this facial cleanser claims to give you soft skin, and Sonicare Facial Cleanser has non-abrasive silicone bristles, gentle enough for all skin types. These radiance boosting tool gently melts away makeup, excess oil, and skin pollutants more effectively than washing by hand. So, ayun nga, diba, pag naghuhugas tayo ng mukha natin after natin mag-work, or after natin sa school, or after sa kung saan man tayo nanggaling, or kung ano man yung pinuntahan natin, may event ba? Or nakipag-meet ba kayo sa mga friends nyo, family members? So after that, isn't it, we always wash our face bago tayo matulog. And alam naman natin na kapag lumalabas tayo, nagkakaroon yung skin natin ng sobrang daming dirts. O yan. And matindi rin ang pollution dito sa atin ngayon. So this Sonicare Facial Cleanser claims rather to clean our faces deeper than by using our hands. Diba pag nagilamos tayo, ayan, maglalagay lang tayo ng facial foam or soap, tapos spread natin using our hands. So this is a cleanser na ang use niya parang kamay. So, siya na yung gagamitin natin para linisin yung ating mukha. So, it comes with a pouch. So, this is a small pouch. Dito natin siya lalagay, and it is very perfect for traveling or even going outside kung feel mo na lagi siyang dalhin, and kung feel mo na kailangan mo siya na gamitin. So, madali lang, ilagay mo lang siya dito sa pouch na ito. And then it also comes with a micro USB cable charging, and it is safe and convenient. So this is the micro USB charging cord, and it is don't worry, kahit na mabasa siya, okay lang siya kasi it is 100% waterproof, and it easy to clean. And it also has high frequency sonic pulses and soft touch switch LED indicator. So again, this is the micro USB charging cord. And paano natin siya i-charge? So i-connect lang natin to, okay, sa charger natin, and then ayan. So kung makikita nyo, merong maliit dito na dot. Kaala natin wala siyang butas, pero kapag in-insert mo, meron siya. So, ayan. Okay? And then, i-charge lang natin siya. Then, after that, I am going to show you the, okay, how to open it. So, you're going to open it. Just press it a second, and then, kapag nag-ilaw siya, gumagana na siya. And this LED indicator indicates the strength of the vibration. So, nagba-vibrate itong facial cleanser na to. And then, this is the lightest. And then, kung gusto nyo pinakamalakas, ayan siya. Okay? So, number 3. And then, turn it off. Press lang din siya ulit ng 1 second. And then, sabi dito, you're going to use it on the different areas of your face by moving it in a circular way. So, ayan, pwedeng ganito lang kalaki or kalawak, or pwede nyo pang lawakin. So, or lawakan. O, yun. So, ganyan lang. And then, after that, kung feel nyo na, kung 2 minutes, you are going to move it around your face, around the area, Tapos, kapag huminto siya, ibig sabihin nun, ilipat nyo na siya sa kabilang area. So, again, you're going to use it. It is going to vibrate for 2 minutes. And then, after that, kapag huminto siya, it means ilipat nyo na siya sa ibang area ng inyong face. So, ayun siya. Ganon siya. So, I am going to show you on how to use it. So, gagamitin ko na siya today. So, whenever I clean my face, the first thing I do is that I use this Clinique Zero Cleansing Balm Original. It is a Korean brand. And this was given to me from Just Beauty PH. Thank you for this. And I just want to say that I really love it so much. So, how to use it? So, mag-scoop lang ako ng konti. Ito yung pang scoop. So, ayan siya. It is a balm. And then, scoop a little. Tapos, ilalagay ko na to sa aking mukha. So, ayan. So, I'm just going to spread it all over my face. Tapos, imamassage ko na rin. So, while massaging my face, I can feel that my face is smoothened and well moisturized. By the way, this is one of the best or #1 makeup remover from Korea. So, after this one, massage. So, it claims to remove the makeup residue on your face. Ayan, tatanggalin niya. So, nakikita nyo. Going to massage it. Then, the next thing that I do after using this cleansing balm, I usually take it off with a tissue. Ayan. So, by the way, this is a pouch na merong tissue na nilalagyan ko kapag yung sobra sa kakakain sa restaurant or fast food, and at the same time, yung malaking tissue sa bahay, tapos kukuha ko, ilalagay ko dito. O yan, di ba? Tipid hack yun. So, ayan. So, I am going to remove my makeup as well as remove the cleansing balm. So, masama na yung makeup. So, ayan. So, nakikita nyo, unti-unting nawawala yung makeup sa mukha ko. And this is the look. So, ayan. Sumama siya. And napakagandang gamitin ito kasi after using it, ma-feel nyo talaga na well moisturized yung face nyo. And at the same time, napaka-smooth. And parang na-tighten agad yung pores nyo. Ganon ka talaga ka. Ganon talaga yung pakiramdam. That is my honest feedback about this product. So, ayan. So, as you can see, malinis na. Then, after that, I use this apple seed deep cleansing foam from Innisfree. And then, so the next thing I do is I use or wash my face using a facial foam. And this facial foam is the apple seed deep cleansing foam from Innisfree. So, here is it. And then, I am just going to get a small amount of it. And, syempre, we need water. So, make sure that your hands are clean before you do this. So, I am just getting a small amount of water. And then, if you feel like you still want to use another or get another little amount of this, you can. So, by the way, I forgot to put my headband. Ayan, para walang nakaharang na buhok. So I'm just going to add a little and then get little amount of water. So ayan, mabula na siya kasi mas marami na yung tubig na nilagay ko. Kanina kasi konti lang yung tubig na nilagay ko kaya hindi siya masyadong mabula. So after that, I am now going to use, so ayun siya. I am now going to use this one. So makikita nyo, gusto ko sa maximum siya, maximum level of intensity and then round. So it will work for 2 minutes. So move it in a circular way. So napaka-relaxing niya talaga. You can feel the vibration. And you feel relaxed. So nag-stop na siya. Ibig sabihin, move ko na siya dito sa another area of my face. So habang ginagawa to, pwede kayong makipag-text or makipag-chat. Pwedeng you're browsing the internet and then using your Instagram, your Facebook, or reading a book, or watching a TV, or sipping a cup of tea, or a cup of coffee. Pwede lahat yan. So, ayan. So, it's really soothing. So, move ko ulit siya dito. So, it aims to tighten your pores and removes the oiliness and dryness of your face. And this will result to beautiful skin and smoother skin. And sabi niya dito, it will remove away the dead skin cells and relax facial muscles, which it really does. Ginagawa niya talaga yung nare-relax niya yung facial muscles ko. And when you continuously use this facial cleanser, it will leave you a revealing and a softer, smoother complexion for a younger, more beautiful, healthy looking glow. So hindi lang siya pang tumutulong para linisin yung face natin, pero it will leave your skin looking healthy and glow. So ayan siya. Ganyan lang kasimple. Napakadaling gawin. So move in a circular way. Repeat hanggang sa feel nyo na okay na. So, as you can see, natuyo yung facial foam ko kasi siguro dahil ninarab ko yung bristles dito sa aking face, and at the same time nakasindi yung air conditioner ngayon. So, ayan. So, ganun lang siya kadali. So, I am going to stop it na. So, how to stop it? So, just press it 1 second. So, ayun lang. So, ganun kadali. So, overall, I fell in love with this facial cleanser from Sonic Care Facial Cleanser from GML. Kasi, it really soothes my skin. It relaxes my facial muscles. At the same time, it deeply cleanses my face. It deeply removes away all the oil and dryness of my skin, as well as the dirt na nakuha ko dahil sa paglabas ko, nakuha ko sa labas. And it really relaxed my face and also my feelings. So napaka convenient niya gamitin, napakadali, and it is very portable, okay? So, napakadaling dalhin lang yan. So, pwede nyo siyang dalhin kapag magta-travel kayo. So, that's it. I really love it. And, at the same time, it is very easy and very quick and convenient to use. So that's it for today. Those are my thoughts regarding this facial cleanser. So the bottom line, gusto ko siya, nakaka-relax siya. I can feel the effect on my face. I can feel na nare-relax yung muscles sa mukha ko. So that's it. Nakailang that's it ba ako? Hindi ko na mabilang. So ayun nga, good night. So, feeling relaxed na ako. By the way, I am going to wash my face na kasi, di ba, naglagay tayo ng facial foam. So, goodbye! See you on my next vlogs. By the way, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and comment if you want to.